The wonders of vision inside our remarkable eyes. The mystery of vision begins. Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff, seeing the vast ocean stretch out before you. The beauty is breathtaking, but how does this incredible scene come to life in your mind? It all starts with our eyes, the windows to our world. Our eyes are not just organs. They are complex systems that allow us to see colors, shapes, and movements. They capture light and transform it into images that our brains can understand. But how does this amazing process work? The anatomy of the eye. The eye has many parts, each playing a special role. The outer layer is called the cornea. It helps focus light. Just behind the cornea is the pupil, which changes size to let in the right amount of light. Next, we have the lens, which sits just behind the pupil. The lens adjusts its shape to focus on objects that are far or near. This means we can see clearly whether something is close, like a book, or far away, like a mountain. After light passes through the lens, it hits the retina at the back of the eye. The retina is like a screen that changes light into signals. These signals travel through the optic nerve to the brain, creating the images we see. Colors and light. Have you ever wondered how we see different colors? Our eyes can detect light in many shades thanks to special cells called cones. There are 3 types of cones, each sensitive to different colors: red, green, and blue. When light hits these cones, they send signals to the brain. The brain then mixes these signals to create all the colors we see. This is why sometimes colors can appear different depending on the light around us. The power of depth perception. When we look at things, we can judge distances. This ability is called depth perception. It happens because our eyes are slightly apart, giving us 2 different views of the same scene. The brain combines these views to help us understand how far away things are. But here's a surprising fact. Depth perception can sometimes fool us. Optical illusions play tricks on our eyes, showing us images that aren't what they seem. They remind us that seeing is not always believing. Vision, more than just seeing. Vision is not only about seeing. It also involves how our brain interprets what our eyes send. For example, when we see a smiling face, our brain tells us it is friendly. But spotting and interpreting a smile happens in less than a blink. Have you ever thought about how memories and emotions connect to vision? The images we see can bring back strong feelings and memories. This connection makes our experience of seeing even richer. Amazingly unique eyes. Every human eye is unique, much like fingerprints. No 2 people have the same pattern of colors and textures in their eyes. This uniqueness makes our eyes a part of our identity. Interestingly, some people can see more colors than others. This condition is called tetrachromacy, meaning they have an extra type of cone in their eyes. Isn't it fascinating to think about the different ways people experience the world? The relationship between eyes and emotion. Did you know that our eyes can express feelings? When we are happy, our eyes sparkle, and when we are sad, they may look dull. This ability to express emotions is an important part of social interactions. Watching someone's eyes can tell us so much about what they feel. This is why eye contact often plays a crucial role in communication. Our eyes can speak when our words cannot. How to keep your eyes healthy. Taking care of your eyes is essential for a lifetime of good vision. Regular eye checkups help catch problems early. Eating a healthy diet with fresh fruits and vegetables also supports eye health. Additionally, protecting your eyes from too much sunlight is crucial. Wearing sunglasses can help shield them from harmful rays. Taking breaks from screens is also important to prevent eye strain. What other habits do you think are important for eye care? The future of vision. As science advances, our understanding of vision will grow. New technologies are helping people with vision problems see better. Researchers are studying how to improve vision and even restore sight. For example, artificial retinas are being developed to help those with damaged retinas. This could change the lives of many people forever. Is it not amazing to think about what the future holds for our eyes? The magic of our eyes. Our eyes are truly magical. They allow us to see the beauty of the world around us. From nature to art, our vision enriches our lives in countless ways. Understanding how our eyes work helps us appreciate this incredible gift. The next time you look at something, remember the wonderful journey light takes to become an image in your mind. Our eyes are not just organs. They are a marvelous part of who we are.